welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's video is going to be a maintenance vlog. I'm getting my hair done, my nails, with my fingernails and my toenails done, and my lashes done. So today I passed by ShopRite to get some breakfast before I went to Alio Bloom to get my lashes done. When I got there were quite a number of people there, so I decided to go find a place to do my nails at. And I found a place very close to Alio Bloom called Cindy's place or something. I don't really remember, but that's where I got my nails done at. It's such a small shop, but it's so cute, and the owner was so lovely. I didn't really want to waste so much time because I had to go and do my lashes, so I just decided to go with short French tips. But then also I usually always do white French tips, so this time around I decided to do something different. The nail tech really went inside for me and really spoiled it for me. But she wasn't using drills or anything. She had to use a hand file the whole time. So by the time we were done with the nails, it was literally evening time. The nails were cute though, yeah. So I finally got back to Alio Bloom to do my lashes around 7 p.m. And that's me on the bed doing the lashes. You see how my lips look so crusty, my god. When I tell you guys I was so fast asleep over here, like I was gone. I don't know if it's just me, but on the first day I do my lashes, they feel so uncomfortable at the edges. But after maybe a couple of days, or even sometimes just the next day, it goes back to normal and it's okay. But yeah, I like Alio Bloom because their prices make sense. It doesn't take too long, and the lashes also stay on for a long time. I think I can keep this for about 2 to 3 weeks, yeah. So it's the next day, and today I'm going to get my hair done and my toenails done. Right now what I have on is a sewing that I did in December, and I really liked it. This was my first time doing it. I didn't know it was this comfortable. So the plan actually is to go get another sew-in, but the shop I wanted to go to get a sew-in at, I called them and they said they were not open today. So I'm going to go to Nails Geek to see if I could get a sewing done over there, or maybe, I don't know. I have these 3 bundles. I think this is one 16 inch, one 18 inch, and one 20 inch. Yeah. I don't know what I'm gonna do. So finally they started working on my hair. The lady that was working on my hair was very gentle with my hair actually. First took down the sewing that I had in, and then she washed my hair, and then she started with the hairstyle. I decided to go with a ponytail. So this was the final look with the pony. I think it was very cute. It looked very cute. It was late, almost 9 p.m. so I told her to scarf it for me because I was just going to sleep. So it's day 3 and I am at the Cody Pet shop. I needed to buy a litter box and some few things, collar and some things for my cats. I did this ponytail yesterday. I really like this ponytail, but it's so freaking tight. Like, I've been convincing myself that, oh, after a day or two, it's going to get better. But today, it's as if they've put fire on my head. Like, here, it's just so tight. I can't think. I have a headache. But why should I keep on something that's, like, just so uncomfortable? I just cut my hair. Look. Yep, I cut my hair, like I cut the whole back of my hair. And what you are seeing my hair that looks like that is actually gel, which is quite interesting because the hair was literally just a day old. Yeah, so I removed the pony. It was too tight. I couldn't handle the pain. And I decided to do these braids for myself. These were actually quite simple to do. It took me less than an hour to finish. And for a very long time, I was wondering, so why didn't you just do your hair yourself when you went to the salon? And this was a final look. It looked very cute. It looked very simple. And I really liked it. Let me know in the comment section if you would like to see a tutorial on how I did this hair, because it was very simple. So after I was done with my hair, I ironed my clothes and started preparing for the coming week. Then I went on to do a little bit of self-care and facial routine for myself. And that's it for my maintenance vlog today. If you enjoyed this video, please do subscribe to my channel. I usually post a video every Sunday. Also, don't forget to like, share this video and drop your comments.